Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this puzzle page of today's newspaper on a Saturday. Yes, Saturday, February the 4th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles: the 4-star Sudoku and the killer Sudoku. So two puzzles are left: the binary and the tectonic. Yes. Well, you are interested in this one, the binary, and this one will be number 5908. 5908. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are ones. Alright. Double, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Between two O's comes an 1, double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Well, we have here 4 ones. I cannot place a number 5 there. Otherwise, we will have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double O. Oh, we have here 5 O's, so there was now 1s. Alright. Between two ones comes an O. Okay. Then between two ones comes an O. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second O, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So that box should be an O. Alright. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and the fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Wait. Then. Come on. Here I need to think. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Well. 3 O's. Okay. 3 ones. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. 3 O's. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. Overlook something. We have here 4 O's and an O. Between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, 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 well. And now 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, a 1, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Here also, okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. The fifth O, if I place the fifth O there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the fifth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Alright. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. Well, if I place number 5 here, the fifth O, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Still we have 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row on the other side. Yes, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Alright, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 5 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, here should be the fifth. Let me see. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. No. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also. Time for comparing. I believe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Well, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, yeah. Alright, time for comparing because I cannot continue. Alright. This column and that column, the third column. Well, 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Need to switch those 2 digits. We have a O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright, between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Okay, and now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Interesting. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. And I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be an O then, okay. And here we have 4 O's. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. No. Fifth O. Again, the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1 then. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay. 5, 5. Yeah. Could be everywhere here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Cannot do anything here. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Here or there. Need to compare again. Need to compare again. Double O here. Double 1 here. Nope. Can I compare this one? 101 then. Oh wait. 2, 3, 4. Well. This row and that row. Yeah. Let me compare. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0. Empty box. Empty box 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. Double 1. Here no. There no. 5 O's we have here. So the rest are 1s. 5 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope. Still not completed. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3. Same here. Ay. Need to compare again. 4, 5. No. No, this is not the same. How about? This is not the same. 11 oh. No. This is also not the same. It's the same. Number 11 here. This row and the first row. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Wow, finish in 13 minutes. Tough one. You need to compare 3 times. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with, I don't know how many stars. No. We'll see. Until then, bye-bye for now.